To pan around the 3D or the 2D view, press and hold the mouse wheel button, sometimes called middle click, while moving. To zoom in or out, simply use the mouse wheel in the 3D view, like in the 2D view. The zoom will be centered around the mouse pointer. You can slow down the speed by holding down the Shift key while zooming, and even reverse the direction of the mouse wheel by changing the zoom in direction parameter in the general preferences. In the 2D view, you can select level of zoom in the drop-down list located in the top left corner. Thanks for watching and see you next time.